In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily withdraw any cryptocurrency to your own wallet or another crypto exchange on the platform BitMart. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BitMart, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $3,000 of sign-up bonus. You simply have to enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go. All right, so to withdraw crypto now, we simply have to go up here to our assets and then click on spot, then go to withdraw. Then select the coin you want to withdraw. In this case, we want to withdraw USDT. Then click on send via crypto network. Now you have to paste in the address where you want to send the money. So if you want to send it to your own wallet or to another exchange, you will always be presented right there if you click on deposit on these platforms with a depositing address. And this is exactly what you need to paste in here to send the crypto to your own wallet or to the other exchange. Also make sure that you're using the same network. This doesn't really apply for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. You mostly use the normal Bitcoin or Ethereum network there. But for example, on USDT, this coin can be on different networks, different chains. So make sure that you choose the exact same network from these other platforms exactly here as well. So me, in this case, I'm just going to deposit an address right here. This is just an example address. And then you can see it already recognizes that this is a TRC20 network. This is also exactly what I want to use. So perfectly fine. You could also choose different networks if you want in here, but in this case, it's perfectly fine. And then down here, I have to choose the amount that I want to withdraw. I can also see my available balance right here. And if you just click on max, it just uses all of your balance. Now, all I need to do is just click down here on withdraw now, and then the withdrawal is already completed. It will take up to a few minutes for the money to arrive. If you also want to know how you can withdraw fiat money, so for example, US dollar or euro to your own bank account from BitMart, simply check out the video description. I have linked you another video on exactly that topic where I explain step by step how to do that. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on BitMart, you can simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $3,000 of sign-up bonus. You simply have to enter your details right here, and then you're ready to go.